Good morning, good afternoon and good evening.
Wherever you may be.
We are back in Disneyland Paris with me dad and me mum. Dad hasn't been to Disney in 20 years? 20 years. Mum come with us last year to Florida. So I think the challenge of this weekend is we're going to get me dad in some ears because he's adamant that he's not gonna, and we're going to get mum on a roller coaster.
You'd be lucky. Believe that when I see it.
One can hope, eh? First thing we should do is you got to get a photo by the main entrance, ain't you?
Come on, come on.
And you, Mum, join in. Welcome to Main Street. Where do you want to go first, Mother? Do you want to go some shopping? Do you want to see the castle? Should we get Dad some ears to start with? I think we should get Dad some ears. Don't destroy it, Dad. You've only just got here.
I thought I could take it with me.
Should we get you some photos in front of the castle? Start with one here on Main Street. Yeah? Yeah? Holiday photos? Holiday photos.
I'm not paying for them.
You can give them. Smile. Oh, they give each other a kiss. Obligatory photos in front of the castle done.
Click, 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 click.
So I think we should start off nice and easy for Mother, and we'll do Claire's favourite, and we'll do the Phantom Manor.
Yeah.
Dad's paying no attention in the background, but that's okay. As usual. You finished? Are you ready to come now? So we're on our way to Phantom Manor, and Mum has just said she may do Big Thunder Mountain. That big one there. That big one over there. Big Thunder Mountain. Mum said she might do it, Dad.
I'd sooner do that than Tower of Terror.
You heard it here first. Right, here we go then. Ride number one. You looking into your future, Mother?
Oh, I'm just scanning it, yeah.
That's not too bad, is it?
That's not too bad, no.
You can do that. You're a big girl.
Unless there's something hiding behind there.
Nah, you'll be fine. Are we excited?
I shook my eyes all the way around.
We're ready, baby.
We're ready.
We're ready. What did we think, Mother?
It was fast.
Did you like that, Dad?
So it was better than I thought it was going to be. It looked really tame, but it's not too bad, to be honest.
No, it's not too bad. I think that deserves a high five. Yeah, time to get a photo. Immortalise your first ever roller coaster.
I know what you're in.
You go, one roller coaster down. How many more can we get you on?
I don't know.
Now, you have to get ears now.
No.
Yeah,
I never agreed to that.
Yeah, well, we agreed for you, didn't we? Didn't we? We did. Who votes Dad gets ears?
I don't care. It's not a democracy.
It is a democracy.
No, it ain't.
That's right, it's not a democracy. It's do as you're told.
It's
Next up, Temple of Péril, Indiana Jones. You don't have to come on this one because she earned gold badge for the Thunder Mountain and she hasn't got a very good back, so it won't do your back any good.
No.
So you can be bag lady.
Bag watch.
Bag watch, and we're going to take Dad on.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going to be all right with the bags, Mum?
Yeah.
We'll see you in 5 minutes then.
Okay, okay.
Ready, baby?
Ready.
Da, 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 da. Oh. Mother, Mother, would you like to do Pirates of the Caribbean? Do you know that Skull Rock is made from the real skull of King Kong?
Really?
Did you know that? Actually King Kong's skull, that is. It's not fake or... want a bit of retail therapy? Want a bit of retail therapy?
Yes, Dad.
You like your mugs? We have 2 of those at home. We should get one of the big ones to match the set and use it as a popcorn bowl.
Not a bad idea.
It was Dad's idea.
If we have some every now and again then.
It's not completely useless.
Oh, that means a lot.
What have you found there? They look cute, but you'd get about half a cup of tea in each one.
Oh, it'd be awful.
Aloha means love.
Because Ohana means family.
Ohana means family.
Is that good?
Ohana means family.
Ohana means family. Ohana means family. Ohana means family.
Did you know what Ohana means? Family. What have you found?
It's a hoodie with a big mouth with a stitch head on it, and he's got a mouth when you open it up.
And you could pair it with a Stitch dressing gown. Try it on. Dad, seeing as you won't get any ears, I found the perfect hoodie for you.
I don't think so.
You want a big Stitch friend? Yeah. Dad,
No.
put them on.
I'm not going in.
I think he looks dashing.
Dashing, eh?
That's my thumbnail, that is. Found some better ones for you. Go on, put them on.
No.
Put them on.
No.
Put them on.
No.
Are you going home?
I don't know why you won't try it
I
on.
don't know why you won't try it on.
That's beautiful. You're such a pretty girl.
I always feel like Discovery Land looks better at night because of the lights. Do you not think? You want to do Buzz to start with?
Why not?
Are we up for a competition so you can score the
the
most
one where
points on
you're
Buzz?
shooting?
Yeah. Loser buys dinner.
Yeah.
Am I winning? I'm winning. Baby.
Look at that!
So you lost, did you, Mum? You lost.
I always lose.
That means you've got to buy dinner and do the dishes.
Don't I anyway?
Yeah, I suppose. So we're going to do Hyperspace Mountain while you be bag lady again.